You're not doing this one thing in 2025, you are wasting your time. 99% of the influencers in today's world are dead broke. They don't have money, they're living a poor life. And how exactly you can build your personal brand in 2025 and perhaps takes the most amount of advantage out of it, it will change your life completely. Literally. It will literally give you a better life. And you, my friend, will be shy maybe for the first month, second month, third month, but I promise to you, once you actually see the results, once you actually see how beneficial it is for you, you're gonna forget it all. You're gonna be like, oh, I wish I started earlier. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not doing this one thing in 2025, you are wasting your time. That one thing, ladies and gentlemen, changed my entire life completely to now exactly being on a yacht with my friends and enjoying my time and my day with my best friends. That one thing literally made me the biggest money that I could have possibly ever make. And that one thing gave me the respect that I thought I would have never had if it wasn't without it. That, ladies and gentlemen, is personal branding. I promise to you guys, if you actually work on your personal branding, it is one of the most important things that you could take over. It is one of the most initial and most important thing that you need in 2025. You might be asking, why do I even need a personal brand in 2025? Well, because the personal brand benefits is actually unlimited. You go to a restaurant and if the owner of the restaurant knows you, they will respect you 10 times more than an average customer. You go to, booking a yacht and they offer you a free yacht because they're like, you are an influencer and you could promote us on your videos. You go on the street and someone comes up to you and takes a picture with you, that literally gives you so much more motivation to work 10 times more harder. When I used to be a kid and I used to watch Logan Paul vlogs, when he came to Dubai and Dubai Mall specifically, I visited him and I was just a fan and I was thinking to myself, Ya Allah, would any of this entire life that I live, would I have this opportunity to be in the same position as him or perhaps better? And Alhamdulillah, now that I have built my personal brand, I feel like I'm getting closer to it day by day. Day in, day out, I'm working on my personal brand. I'm helping myself by building my own legacy online. And the reason why you need to work on your personal brand is very essential and it's very easy to understand. Think about two different people, one having a personal brand and one not having a personal brand. The person who has a personal brand has an army of people who would support them, who would help them in the times of their need, and who would actually support in any kind of business venture that they would create. If I created a restaurant tomorrow here in Dubai or in my home country or anywhere in the world, people would literally come to support it at any time. If I created an energy drink, people would literally buy it just because of the fact that I have built my personal brand. The reason why people respect me this day or right now is not because I've built some $1 million business through dropshipping. It's not because I've made millions through info products. It's because I've built a legacy for myself. If you go to my Instagram and you look into the content yourself, you're gonna be like, this guy is a hardworking guy and this guy deserves my respect. And that's exactly why I work harder, because when I know that these people respect me, when I know that I deserve the respect that I'm getting, that's what pushes me even harder. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this video, I'm gonna tell you the 3-step process on how exactly you can build your personal brand in 2025 and perhaps takes the most amount of advantage out of it before everyone else does. Now, the first step that you have to realize is that you don't have to be shy and no one cares about you. A lot of the people, they're like, oh, people are gonna judge me. I don't know if it suits me. I don't know if personal branding is for me. It is for you. If you actually think about it, those 300 people that you have in your Instagram, even though you have a private account, those people does not even care about you, let alone 300,000 people. And I can say this because I have built my own personal brand and I have got to that point where I don't care on what I post. Of course, I want it to be respectful. I don't want to show females. I don't want to do anything that is haram. But deep down, I know that nobody cares. Everyone just literally leaves a like, leaves a likes and skips, except the diehard fans that would tell me, Ihsan, don't post music, Ihsan, don't try to do this and do that, which I respect. The people who actually shows me the right way in any way possible, I respect it with all my heart. And those people, I genuinely look up to when they advise me. Even though they're people from outside, they might have not known my intentions and all of that stuff, I respect it. The number one rule, once again, is that nobody cares about you. Whether if you're building a personal brand or you're not building it, nobody cares. That's rule number one. So start today and don't be shy of the people judging you for the big dreams that you might have. The rule number 2, or the step number 2, is to post whatever that you feel comfortable posting. Post whatever that you can relate to. If you're a doctor, you need to post stuff about being a doctor, how you can keep your hygiene, how can you not get sick, and whatever that you have in mind, right? You have to think about it yourself. What could you post that would help the people out in any way possible? That's the rule that you have to follow. Post whatever that you would like to post, or whatever that you are ambitious about. The most important thing about people giving up, or the number one reason why people give up so many times, is because they post content that they don't resonate with, and after posting for so long and not seeing any kind of great results, they give up. If you're not ambitious about something, don't even start it. And personal brand does not need any kind of ambition. What you choose as a niche needs ambition, because every single person could build a personal brand, but only those will continue it, the ones who are ambitious enough to post the content that they love to post, or perhaps to post the content that they actually feel good posting about. So that's rule number 2, or step number 2, post whatever that you actually want to post. Rule number 3, or perhaps the most important thing that I could tell you guys, is to grow your followers around 5 to 10,000 followers and start monetizing your content. 99% of the influencers in today's world are dead broke. They don't have money, they're living a poor life, and the most unfortunate thing that happened to them is that they don't know how to monetize it. Their 2 sources of income is monetized from YouTube, which pays you dog shit. I've literally got over 100,000 views and I've got $80 in my bank. I don't care about YouTube. The only reason why I'm posting it is because I want my future kids to watch it and actually learn something from their dad, you know, being a true gentleman and actually supporting or motivating the people in any way possible. Well, that's the first thing, right? The second way that they actually make money is through sponsorships. And the sponsorships, let me be honest, it pays you dog shit 0.2, all right? It does not pay you good. It pays you literally pennies for a year worth of contract that you have to keep posting and being a slave for a company. So that's not something that I actually want to do, or perhaps want to continue myself. And that's not something that I would like you guys to continue. Now, how do you actually monetize? This is a bonus tip. How you actually monetize is whatever that you're good at, you actually start posting about that, and you actually start talking to people about that specific thing, and then you offer them little extra points, or perhaps more extra points, or more extra guides, or more hacks, or anything that you're good at in a private community. This comes to trading, this comes to you being an entrepreneur and telling the people, I can actually guide you guys on private through one-on-one sessions if you join my private community. This could be you being a doctor and telling everyone that, hey, if you want to be a doctor, there are some secrets that nobody will tell you except the doctor himself. And those secrets are within me. So if you want to learn how to do it, join my private community. So these are the lessons that are the most important, that if you actually start noticing it or working towards, it will change your life completely, literally. It will literally give you a better life. And you, my friend, will be shy maybe for the first month, second month, third month, but I promise to you, once you actually see the results, once you actually see how beneficial it is for you, you're gonna forget it all. You're gonna be like, oh, I wish I started earlier. And this is the most important thing, right? People always dream about starting, but never taking action. And if you're watching this video and if you want to take action, all I want you to do is literally head to the first link in the description, fill out the form, and get started with the free training that I have for you. If you want to learn how I live this life and how I actually sell my info products and how I'm actually living this beautiful life, alhamdulillah, all I want you to do is watch the first video that is linked in the comment section. Do not forget that personal branding is literally the most important thing that you could do in 2025. It is literally the key to your success, and it is literally one of the most important assets that you could have. If today someone told me, would you rather have 1 million followers or $1 million? I would 100% of the times choose 1 million followers, because from that 1 million followers, I could literally make over $10 million. That's the secrets that I know that you might not. And if you want to learn how, the first link in the description will guide you, inshallah. Thank you so much, and peace out.